Don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. You will need a sewing machine. Here we've used the 19S sewing machine from Hobbycraft, fat quarters, pins, tape measure, an iron, thread, fabric pen, scissors, elastic, safety pins, and interfacing. Select, measure and cut out your fabrics. You will need the below measurements. Cut out the interfacing. Press your fabrics, then iron on your interfacing to your inner layer fabric shapes. We will start by sewing your inner sides together. Pin fabric together, lengthwise and right sides together. Sew up each height side until you have all 4 rectangles together in a row. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end to secure. Pin the final sides together and sew together to create a cube. You are now ready to attach the bottom part of your box. Pin and sew your bottom square piece onto your now formed cube with a 1 cm seam allowance. Repeat the same with your outer fabric pieces and then turn out the right way. Insert your inner layer inside your outer layer. Pin and stay stitch the layers together, making sure to match the seams together. Top tip, remove the free arm table to make it easier to sew. Fold and pin your tops outwards 1 cm and outwards again 2 cm to reveal the contrast inner. Top stitch this down with the stitch of your choice. Your fabric box is now complete.